Hello, I'm Wave. We will learn about fire and smoke in Adobe Photoshop. From hundreds of effects you've learned in this video like water, shatter, manipulation, filter effects and more. We will begin with the fire text effect. First step, write your sample text at the black background, just like we did with the shatter and the glitch effect, and I've shown tutorials. Second step, apply outer glow that has to be red-orange in color, and the color overlay or satin is set to dark red. Third step, rasterize the entire text effect and liquefy the text edges with a small brush size. Fourth step, bring an image of a fire and apply mask to remove the excess part. And final step, the fire is now ready to burn. Isn't it too easy? The fire, which is widely seen in the fireplace that burns logs made of wood in every houses during the winter season. Other ones called a lava during the volcanic eruption when magma flows down the sides of a volcano. On in another section, making smoke text effects. First step, place the sample text on a smoke layer. Second step, the text is set to motion blur and Gaussian blur taken both. And final step, the text can be liquefied just like we did with the fire ones. Again, isn't it too easy? Smoke have been widely seen in cigarettes or tobacco, which may lead to potentially harmful for health. Other ones, incense releases fragrance of smoke when burned. They have been found in China, India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and other parts of Asian countries. So, you now know the two sections we've learned in this video called Fire and Smoke Effect in Adobe Photoshop. Like, comment, and subscribe now.